A pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Sport Appearance Package, Technology Package, Auxiliary Audio Input, Satellite Radio, Speed-Sensitive Volume Control, Smartphone Integration, Wireless Data Link, Power Windows, Rear Privacy Glass, Window Defogger, Front Air Conditioning, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Digital Odometer, External Temperature Display, Battery Saver, Tow Hooks, Trailer Hitch, Airbags, Anti-Lock Brakes, Braking Assist, Power Brakes, Child Seat Anchors, Seatbelt Force Limiters, Power Door, Locks, Stability Control, and Traction Control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.